What is a catalytic converter? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So basically what a catalytic converter does is it takes harmful gases, mixes them up, breaks them apart, and changes them into non-harmful gases. So things like carbon monoxide, we add an oxygen molecule to it and we change it to carbon dioxide. There's more than that goes on in here, but that's basically what it does. So what it is it looks like a muffler. It goes into the exhaust system, and you can't really see it in the video, sorry about that, but there's a ceramic part inside of this that looks like a honeycomb, and that is coated with precious metals. A lot of what I call idioms, palladium, iridium, things like that. I'm not a chemist, so I can't tell you exactly, but that is what makes it a catalyst, is those precious metals, when they're very hot, they react with the gases that go through it, and that's how we convert those gases from harmful gases to non-harmful gases. And those precious metals is what makes catalytic converters so expensive, and so sometimes why they get stolen as well. I hope that answers your question. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.